Welcome to Module 10 of BART's Safety Management System Training Program.
This course will focus on internal audit processes and practices.
Internal audit processes and practices integrate into the foundations of safety management systems.
Internal auditing activities would specifically fall into the SMS component of safety assurance. Internal safety and security audits.
The audit process measures the effectiveness of BART's programs with respect to safety and security through the systematic evaluation of all safety and security programs, processes and practices, and through verification of compliance with system safety and system security standards, processes, and programs. The internal audit process provides
Proactive approach to rail system safety.
accurate snapshot of your transit system's operation as it relates to its safety components.
Identify safety issues at the ground level before they become unmanageable. Who are the stakeholders?
Maintenance and engineering,
Rolling stock and shops.
transportation and system service,
BART police.
planning, development and construction, executive management, state safety oversight, ridership, general public. The internal safety and security audit process is performed within an organization by an independent department of the organization, such as
Safety department.
QA department,
Security department.
internal audit department.
BART's chief safety officer has overall responsibility for administering the internal auditing program. Internal auditing team.
BART's System Safety Program Plan or SSPP outlines the auditing steps to be followed by the System Safety Department, including
Publication of annual audit schedule.
independence and objectivity,
Technical expertise of audits.
positions responsible for auditing,
Established procedures for auditing and follow-up.
documentation. BART's SSPP also outlines these additional requirements for auditing by the System Safety Department.
Reporting and notification to top management.
Completion of pre-audit briefing,
Completion of post-audit follow-up.
monitoring of corrective actions,
Full and timely disclosure of internal audit activities to appropriate management and agencies. Thinking exercise.
what programs or processes at BART should audits focus on?
Meaning what departments, activities, programs, or processes should be audited to ensure that performance goals or regulatory requirements are being met.
Any ideas? In what areas should BART focus audits on?
Some examples may include
Rules and rules compliance.
1. Evaluations and supervision.
2. Efficiency testing.
3. Recertification and requalification.
4. Disciplinary processes.
Safety data acquisition and analysis.
Safety inspections and observations.
Maintenance procedures and records.
Documentation.
Emergency response coordination and training. This slide displays an efficiency test form that is used by BART supervisors to ensure that train operators are properly performing brake tests in yard operations.
The form can document whether the TO inspected the control panel, performed an initial brake test, performed a brake test after a change of direction, or if the TO had a personal electronic device visible while operating the train. This slide illustrates a table that is contained in BART's SSPP, which details the track inspections that are required to be performed.
The table describes the types of track inspections to be performed, the frequency required for each inspection, how the inspection will be performed, and finally a reference point for the criteria for each inspection.
These inspections represent a great audit target because they are required by regulation and could create an extremely dangerous hazard if not performed properly.
The scope of any audit will be determined by the type of audit being performed and the purpose.
What makes an internal audit program effective?
Recognizing strengths in safety and security programs.
Addressing deficiencies identified in audits.
Not procrastinating in addressing hazards.
Follow up to ensure that deficiencies are corrected.
Ensuring that audits are done in a timely manner.
focusing more intensive audit activity in areas of known safety or security hazards.
Areas needing improvement are explored in detail.
Identify recommendations for corrective action to assist the department in preparing its corrective action plan.